Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Infinix Hot 50 Pro. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both to get this app called Send Anywhere and launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Infinix. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!